Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 42 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options.